Sarkis?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Mm-hmm. The vehicle is 2019.
19?
Oh, this is sick. You can actually feel this. Check.
So you approve of this car?
Yeah, but not really.
Why?
I'm too big for this car.
It's too small?
Yeah. You have to be skinny for this. It's better than yours.
If this car was faster than your car, would you buy this one?
No. No, it's just too small. First time in M2, so this is the M2 competition. Let's just drive, see how's it driving. Oh, it's slow. I like that. That sounds crazy, but the car is slow. I think I'm used to my car. To be honest, I'm amazed. It's a fun car to drive.
Really?
Yeah, it is. Like, this car is like awesome because it doesn't have that too many horsepower. Car doesn't drift. Whenever you punch it, you don't use the control of the car. It's kind of fun to drive. But if you want a fast car, you have to get M5 competition. The secret of driving, you have to know how to handle a vehicle. See, like, if they give me a Porsche or Mercedes, there's no way I can drive the way I drive a BMW. Like Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, they have a like secret way to drive the car. See, like if they give me like the fastest Mercedes, I'm not gonna know how to like handle the car, how to drive it, how to drift it, how to just do anything. But I'm used to a BMW.
What would you rate this car 1 to 10?
10.
Really?
Yeah, it is fun to drive. It's like a little toy, you can play around with it.
Yeah.
Like see, like punching it, car doesn't jump. It is fun to drive, to be honest, yeah.
Why do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. It's a sport possible.
Look good in this car.
My camera's nicer.
All right, guys, we are standing in front of this special project right here. This is a brand new 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost. This was special ordered by my client who lives up in Seattle. We did his Bentley Flying Spur a long time ago. Really, really nice car. He just got this awesome spec black with mandarin orange interior. The whole interior is orange, beautiful spec, of course. And now, guess what? We're the first to do the Novatec Spofec body kit on it. What you see going around the car right now is part of that body kit. The front bumper right there with the exaggerated front apron and lights, the side skirts, there's also a rear bumper. His car did not have the factory exhaust tips. A lot of Rolls-Royces don't come with exhaust tips, some of them do, it's an option. He chose not to do it, and his new Novatec bumper has the slits open for the exhaust. So we're gonna build him an actual custom exhaust system that we're not gonna change the tone of noise, we want it to remain the same, but we're gonna do quad tips. So quad tips, we're gonna lower it on RDB signature wheels, 24-inch. We're gonna do some orange accents here and there. It's going to look outrageous. Stay tuned, we're gonna get this one done really quickly, and I think this is gonna be the hottest new Ghost in the world. So keep your eyes peeled on this one. This is the G-Wagon truck, pickup truck project we're working on. As you can see, we have the 38s on the front now. And this cooler situation right here, actually there's two coolers here. This usually sits like right here. There's no way you would be able to turn this wheel if it's there. So right now, we made a bracket for it to push it completely forward, and it's no longer touching it. So that's really cool. That's one of the big problems to have with this car when you're doing this. And we're gonna have to make a custom bumper, obviously, because the stock bumper is not gonna fit on that anymore, because it's completely forward now. So yeah, a lot more to go on this G-Wagon pickup. The rear hoops are on there in the back as well, as you can see, made out of steel. They're not finished yet. Obviously, we're test fitting. That's gonna be completely powder coated and welded on as well. So a lot more work to go on the pickup truck, but we wanted to keep you guys updated because everybody's asking about it. This is a 2020 G63 that was factory, and now it's a stretched pickup truck, lifted on portal axles and 38-inch tires, 18-inch wheels. We downgraded the brakes in the front just to put those on. So really, really wild. A lot more to come. Check it out. Did Sarkis pay you for the work on his car?
No.
Okay, hold on. What do you mean I didn't pay you? Just be honest. I didn't pay you?
Oh yeah, he bought a pizza.
You think how much is the pizza?
No, besides that. No, besides
$10?
that.
So-
Besides pizza, what I did for you?
Okay, how long did that take you?
It took me 45 minutes.
Okay. So pizza and 45 minutes of his work is compared to your 6 hours of work. You like that?
Yeah. It does.
No.
It does.
He's saying no. He's saying no. You owe him $200.
He's blackmailing you now.
Yeah. Now, it's
Okay, anytime he asks me favor, I do it, and now this is how it should be. You're done.
after how long? Or-
Anytime he asks me a favor, I do it. He f***s up on the car and I still help him out. F*** you.